It's Alyssa Corum here, and today on Technical Analysis, we're looking at our stock of the day, Proofpoint. Now, when you're thinking about buying a stock, it's important to first check the chart action. Rather than buying blindly, the chart will tell you whether or not it's an ideal time to buy that stock. Investors should focus on buying stocks that are in proper buy range from base patterns, and Proofpoint is one such stock. The cybersecurity software group is strong, and top stocks often come from top industry groups. Proofpoint has a 99 composite rating from IBD, meaning it outperforms 99% of all stocks in the market as measured by key fundamental and technical metrics. Those include earnings and sales growth, profit margins, relative price performance, and more. And Proofpoint has seen accelerating earnings growth over the past 2 quarters, from 24% here to 33% to 38%. That's a sign of strength. Although estimates do peg 2019 earnings growth at 12% and then a pickup at 36% is expected in 2020. Now let's take a closer look at the chart action. The stock gapped up on its earnings report in late January in heavy volume. That put the stock above its 200-day line, an area that is seen as resistance for a lot of stocks. The stock then formed a handle, as you can see here, which represents a final shakeout of weak shareholders. It's now in buy range after clearing a 121.82 buy point. We always add 10 cents above that prior high or the prior resistance level to ensure the stock is actually clearing that prior resistance. And remember, the buy zone extends 5% above the buy point. Buying a stock when it's extended beyond that level is not ideal because you don't want to chase a stock. That prevents you from not only maximizing your gains, but it could also put you in a position of getting shaken out if the stock pulls back. Investors should also note that this base is very deep here. The depth is 41%. The best cup with handle bases tend to fall no more than 30 to 33% from the left side high. That's a flaw, but the handle is proper. The depth here is 9.5%, which is well within the 8 to 12% ideal range for the handle. Volume was decent on Friday, which is good because the initial breakout came in volume that was only slightly above average. You want to see strong volume when a stock breaks out because that indicates support from institutional investors. Now, keep an eye on the relative strength line, which is nearing new highs as the stock continues to climb toward its all-time highs around 130. For more stock news and analysis, make sure to visit investors.com. For Investors Business Daily, I'm Alyssa Corum.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching Investors Business Daily on YouTube.
If you want to watch more videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing.